always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. For those of you who are new, and if this is your first video, welcome. So happy that you're here. My name is Cheyenne. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4 children and 3 dogs. We live in eastern New Mexico, and we recently just bought this house back in March. So yeah, I'm so happy that you're here. Thank you so much for being here and watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. And if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, I would really love it if you would consider it. It is free for you, it doesn't cost you anything, and it really does help out my channel.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more.
So today's video is really just a bathroom and bedroom clean with me. It took me all day to clean my bedroom. I really wasn't feeling it this day. I was on the struggle bus again, but I did recently get my 4th back injection. That is what I'm told to be my last back injection. Usually they only let you get 3 back injections. And then the next step will most likely be going to a surgeon, which I already have an appointment for. So yeah, like I said, I was on the struggle bus, but I really needed to catch up. So I pushed through and I did it. This pretty much took me all day. I pretty much spent the majority of my day in this bedroom, folding laundry and kind of relaxing here and there in between. So yeah, anyways, I'm just going to let the music play for you guys. And I do hope that you gain some motivation from today's video.
Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9. Look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9. Falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you.
So I really want to talk about what I mentioned before. I'm getting back injections. So I've been dealing with this slip disc and vertebrae. I basically have spondylolisthesis. I believe I've mentioned it in the past. So my spine kind of looks like a hook in a way. Like it's very odd. There's a curve in my spine between L5 and S1. I believe that's what it is, or L4 and S1. I honestly don't remember. But I've been dealing with it. I've been living like this for 6 years now. And the first thing that started was that my left leg started to go numb, but I didn't have back pain. And then the next step was the back pain would sit in. And then moving multiple times throughout those years and having more children just really didn't help that situation. So it made everything worse. Um, so I've finally been able to go to a pain management clinic where they do back injections, not something I really wanted to do. I was very scared for that. But that was after the fact that they made me do physical therapy, which actually made my back severely worse, not several, severely worse. I was in pain for days after each session. I wouldn't be able to walk for the entire weekend. And it was awful. So I put my foot down and I said, no, I said, we can't do this anymore because we don't even know what's wrong with my back. You haven't even given me an MRI. You haven't given me an x-ray. I'm over this. It's time to do the scans that need to be done because I'm just feeling terrible. I couldn't pick up my children. I couldn't take a shower regularly. I couldn't stand and cook dinner for my family. It was just very heartbreaking for me that I got so bad. So once they took the MRI and x-ray, my back was pretty bad. So they transferred me and told me to go to the surgeon, made an appointment. I had to wait 8 months to see the surgeon. And keep in mind, I'm still in pain during this time. No medicine, no pain meds, no injections, nothing. So I wait 8 months and I go to the surgeon and he tells me I'm too fat to have surgery and that I need to lose like 25 more pounds to be under his knife is what they say. And I said, how can I lose the weight if I can't walk? That doesn't make sense. That's ridiculous. So I left that guy in tears and I never went back to him. I just continued to go to pain management for the next, I think, 7 more months. I've been going to pain management. My injections only last for 6 weeks at a time, if I'm lucky. And I can't do any strenuous activity at all. So it's kind of sucky, but I can walk and I can cook dinner and I can stand up and take a shower most days. So, it works. But at this point, um, I'm ready for that surgeon to say, okay, let's schedule something because I'm done not having good quality of life. And I'm only 35 and I just don't think that's fair. So you ever have pain or you are struggling with something for a long period of time, definitely get yourself checked out because it is worth it. And I should have had this done a long time ago. Unfortunately, we made some really bad decisions moving around and it would have gotten done like 4 years ago otherwise. But anyways, enough of my sob story. If you have any questions for me, definitely leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer anything that you ask. I am very transparent, as you know. I'm very real. So yeah, any questions, let me know. And I'm just going to continue to play the rest of the video.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you.
So I do want to mention that I've mentioned in my previous videos that I do not like to clean the shower. I really don't. I don't like the stretching and getting into the shower, and I don't have a shower head to rinse it. So I'm very, very particular about how I clean the shower. As long as I clean the tub and what I can see, then I feel fine. I'm not going to go crazy over it. Nothing has to be really perfect. If I need it to be super perfect, then, I'll have my son do it. It's a little bit more flexible than me, and that's the truth. Not gonna lie, I'm being totally transparent. However, this bathtub did need to be wiped out really bad, ring around the tub, all that. The hair that was in there, that was mine. Not gonna lie about that either. I did the best that I could. So yeah, I'm just being honest with you guys. I like to keep it real. I do not like to clean showers. I do not like to clean bathtubs. I don't even like to clean the toilet. What is your guys' least favorite chore in your home?
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
So I was finally able to film a video where I put my sheets back on my bed. And this is always fun, walking back and forth around the bed, to be honest. But honestly, the best feeling is getting into a clean bed. I feel like my Sunday is complete and I can sleep well. And it would be even better if I just end my night with a nice hot bubble bath and then get into bed, because then you're clean and you have clean sheets and you have a clean room. It's just bliss, in my personal opinion. So, do you guys like that too? Do you like to get into a nice clean bed at the end of the day? New pillowcases, clean sheets, just the works.
I didn't call you off for another. I didn't cross the line for the bottle. Take me back. Take me back. I know I messed it up like your father. You know you shouldn't care, but you bother. Take me back. Take me back. Don't leave me back, 'cause now I see it clear. Don't leave me, all I want is to be here.
So we are coming to the end of today's video. I really do hope that you guys all enjoyed all the motivation, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of laundry motivation, well, kind of a lot of laundry motivation, some bathroom motivation. I was like so crazy on this day that I just didn't take any after pictures. So totally my fault. But I did feel like my room actually got clean, even though I spent all day doing it. And it's always so nice to vacuum the floors. We have 3 dogs, so we get a lot of dog hair on our floors, and it's just almost unbearable. So, as well as we live in eastern New Mexico, so we get dust on our floors like daily. It's insane. But anyways, I do hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't, I hope that you consider subscribing and being a part of my YouTube family. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Don't go, 'cause all I need is right here. With you, it feels like everything is so.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.